Hello everyone, Mommy and the Wilson's on the go. Mommy and the go. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? We are actually right here on the beach. Don't let it fool you. We have the ocean front, but don't let it fool you. It might look like it's nice. It is nice. It might be like 65 degrees. But no one's on the beach because it is cold. It's cold. They are just playing in the sand, and yeah, but it's still nice to feel and hear that. But today we will be using our BOYA microphone. This is the universal cardioid microphone, which actually you could use it on the phone, the computers, tablets, cameras. Specifically, I'm planning to use it with my camera, with my M50. The M50 bundle that I had included the microphone already, but I really did not like that, so I bought this the other one, the bigger one, but it also makes a clicking noise. So most of the vloggers are using this, so I am gonna try this. So I'm gonna unbox this one right now, and we are gonna try to pair it with my M50. All right, so this is what's inside. Maybe I'll do this. I'm having a hard time. There you go. Comes with this. Yep. This. Everything. It comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth. I know it comes with, yes, this is mainly the microphone, and then I see a bag. Oh, it's getting warmer actually, guys. And I see oh, this must be the connection for that. I don't know why there are two. I think you use the other one on a see, this one says smartphone. Oh, this is for smartphone. So this one I will use but I need a connector because I'm using iPhone. So this one, yeah, we can use that too. This one is to put it on top of the here. Yep. Okay. We'll start off. We'll see how that's feels, I guess. So maybe I can start off with this one. I'm sure I have that hooked. Hold on. That one, just to be able to connect that, and then maybe I will have to first. No, it's not for that. The microphone on M50 is on the left side. That's why it is. Yep. And then put this one on top. Fancy. I think we'll do that so you could not see it like that. You think? Or this would look pretty. Switch this around. There you go. I look like a vlogger now. Now, does it work? This needs to go here. And I think it does not need a battery. Compact on microphone, compatible with smartphones, DSLR and camcorders. Rugged metal construction, no battery required. That's one thing I had with my old microphone, is I needed a battery all the time, so I do not know if that was good or not. So this is how it looks. Okay, now let's turn it on. Is it on now? Yep. And let's see how loud it could pick up with the microphone. I just turn it on. Let's is Ocean City on fall. Look at that. Like that. Hey you guys, Mommy and the Wilson's on the go. Welcome back to our channel, and we are now in the heart of Ocean City on fall. So it might look so nice out there, but it really is. It's just that you could not swim on the beach because it's cold. And cut. Let's see. Let's listen to it. Can we listen to it? Oh. Oh, it looks like it has a good capture, but I'm not really 100% sure yet. So we are gonna review this product or this microphone, and I'm gonna give you my 2 cents if it's good or not. But I know this has been proven and tested with all the vloggers, so there you go. I'll see you in a little bit. Thank you all guys for watching, and remember, hashtag choose happy. Bye all.